Okay, I'm at the truck stop. Look at this. This is awesome. I mean, they aren't fooling around here. Look at this. This is amazing. Wow. Holy hell, this is cool. Wow. There's some little kid that would come in here and this would be their dream. Also adults, I think. They've got some really cool stuff. Look at this. This is cool. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This wasn't here before. They made a lot of changes to this place. Wow. That's awesome. And the rest of the place is huge. This is like the ultimate truck stop. This is cool. This is really cool. This is amazing. Wow. What? This is awesome. This is, I think, Indian. Yeah. Wow. What don't they have here? Yep. It's an Indian grocery as well. This is very cool. I gotta come back and explore this place. This is cool. I got good food here. Look at this. Wow.